Hey guys, this is Ram here. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can scrape unlimited leads of company list using Clay without spending a single dollars. Like what you do in Apollo, ZoomInfo or Sales Navigator, you do the same thing, but here you don't want to spend a single penny on the lead list. Yeah, I understand your question. Instead of directly targeting the people, why we need to find the companies, then we want to find the people, then we want to send a message. If you directly target the people, you can't know if the people are good fit or not. That's why we want to select the company first based on our ICP criteria. Then we want to find the decision makers of those company. Then we create a personalized message for them to get into the call. Without wasting any time, I will directly show you how you can scrape data like this for completely free without spending a single dollar. First, let's check out the previous video of mine, the beginner guide of Clay. Then come to this video so you can get an easy understanding of how the Clay works. So let's get into the video. After signing your Clay account, you can see this new button. Just click the new button and create your new workbook. I just give the name of Find Companies. Then you can see here the left hand corner in the source 7 you can see the Find Companies. Just click that. So here you can see Clay has more than 43 million company data in the datasets. In this 43 million company data, we just want to scrap our perfect ICP segmentation using the Clay filters. In the left hand corner, you can see they have 8 filters: 1 company attribution, 2 location, 3 exclude companies, 4 lookalike companies, 5 product and services, 6 AI filters, 7 domain, 8 limited research. So let's see the filter step by step. First, start with company attributes. So it starts with industries to include. For this example, I am going to target marketing agencies. I just find marketing agencies, marketing services here. Then industries to exclude. I don't want to target accounting for this example. Then company size. What are the employee size you want to target? 11 to 15 and 51 to 200. I will select. Then the annual revenue of the companies you want to target, they make. I want to target 1 to 2 million, 1 to 5 million and 5 to 10 million and 10 to 25 million. The recent funding raised amount they do, I just ignore it. The associated member count. Just how we ignore fundraising, I just ignoring associated member count also. Then it's the company types here. I want to target privately held, publicly held and partnership companies. Then the description keywords to include. Basically, I want to target who are the companies run ads, because the industry was I am targeting is marketing. Then here you see the description keywords to exclude. I enter lead generation. Because I'm a lead generation agency, I don't want to target my competitors. So here you see the minimum follower count. Basically, Clay will pull this data from LinkedIn. So here you can select the follower count based on your need. I will just ignore it. After you finish the company attributes, here you can see there are 1717 companies here. Then just will target the people based on the location. It's the filter section 2. Here I want to target United States and United Kingdom. Countries to exclude. For the sake of example, I don't want to target Afghanistan. And if you want to target any cities perfectly, you can enter here. And if you want to exclude any cities perfectly, you can exclude here. Right now, I don't want to do like that. Here you can see the difference, it's just 435 companies. Then the third section is exclude companies. If you open it, you can click this add an exclusion shows. Here you can see the three options. One is clay table, list of URLs and upload CSV. If you have any DNC list or you don't want to target your clients once ahead, you can add a clay table or the CSV or add a link to here to exclude those companies from this list. Then the fourth section is lookalike companies. So this is the most interesting criteria you can see. If you have a best client in your service entire career, you can just enter their LinkedIn URL or their website URL here. It will find the same lookalike structure company for you. For example, the Mava Capital is the best company for me. I just enter the Mava Capital LinkedIn URL or website URL here. It will find companies who are same look like Mava Capital. So it's the best option you can use based on your need. Then you can see the product and service section. Here you can add a description based on your need. For example, I want to target marketing agency running ads. If you have any product and service description, you can enter it here. Then you can see the AI filters. So this is the new filters Clay will come up with. You can't see this filter anywhere without Clay. For example, you can't see this in LinkedIn, Apollo or ZoomInfo. Here you can see industries to include. So it's like a subcategory of the industries. You can see the same sub-industries to include here. And here sub-industries to exclude. Here is very crucial part. Here you can see the revenue streams of the company. For example, if you're going to target SaaS, you can see here the revenue. For example, it was in most of the SaaS companies in subscription and recurring model. So you can target the people based on their revenue way. And here you can see the business type. Generally, we want to target B2B. So, or if you want to target B2C, you can enter it. And some of the people I see, my friends are targeting non-profit. So if you want to target non-profit, you can select it here. Then you can see the domain. So based on this list, some of the leads don't have a specific domain. So if you want to exclude those companies don't have domain, you can use this option. You can see the limit here. So right now my plan, I can scrape 25,000 records max per search. I can do unlimited search per day. This limit option for a test. If you're going to scrap at least 10,000 leads, you just scrap 100 and you can check the preview to see the companies are good for your ICP or not. Every time you will use this preview option before you export this list. Then you save the search. Right here you can add the search to the name, like I will give it marketing, and we target US and UK, so I enter US and UK. You can give any description based on your need. Save the search. And I want to continue. You can do two options here. One, you can import to a new table, or you can import to your existing table. I will import this to a new table. After you click this, redirect to a new table. Here you can see find companies, name, description, primary industry, size of the company, type, location and country, domain and the company LinkedIn URL. After you click this to each company, you can see all the description, industries, LinkedIn URL, their annual revenue, all these things here. I'm going to reveal the 2 best practices you should follow if you scrape the leads from Clay. Number 1, you don't want to export the list in a total. Just segment the lead list based on your need and target the people specifically with a personalized email. For example, if your lead list have 10,000 emails, you don't want to target all the people. Just do a segmentation for 500 or 1,000 like that. So you can send a personalized message for each and everyone, and you have a specific data. Most of the people only focusing on the include filters, but you want to give the same importance to the exclude filters. Before you find who are the people we want to target, you will mention these are the people I don't want to target. So the excluded filters are more important than the included filters. If you use this two rules each and every time you scrape the leads, you will see the better results in your campaign. See you in the next video.